guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to make honey garlic salmon. Before I get started, if you guys want to see more cooking and baking related videos, subscribe to my channel, like this video, and also turn on your notification bell so you guys never miss a video. Anyways, now let's get on with this video. Let's go. Guys, so the first thing I'm going to do is marinate the salmon. So this is Atlantic salmon, it's boneless, so I suggest having a boneless salmon instead of the one that have bones. I feel like it's just way easier, and yeah. So first I'm going to start marinating the salmon. So what you'll be needing is some salt, black pepper, and some cayenne pepper. I'm going to give this a mix maybe, and I'm just going to sprinkle it. Okay guys, so take a iron cat skillet, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to add some butter and let this golden brown a little bit. Okay guys, so the next thing I'm going to add is some garlic. Okay guys, so the next thing I'm going to add is some honey. And the next thing I'm going to add is some soy sauce. Okay guys, so the next thing I'm going to add is some lemon juice. Okay guys, oh my god, the mixture smells so good. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to just add the salmon on top of the mixture. Can't wait to try this. I mean, I've tried it many times. You guys should try as well and see if you guys like it. I can guarantee you guys will like it, especially the ones that like salmon. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to start putting the mixture on top of the salmon. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put the skillet into the oven, and I'm going to let this bake for 5 or more minutes. I'm going to put the oven on broil. So as you can see, there's 2 different broils. The one you should be choosing is a maxi one, so where it says maxi economy. Just click on that and start. Okay guys, so this is how the honey garlic salmon looks like. It's really easy to make. Give this a try and comment down below if you guys like it or not. Anyways, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!